Flower bed design. Beautify your garden. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into the colorful world of flower bed designs. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or someone who simply appreciates the beauty of a well-arranged garden, this video will provide you with valuable insights into creating stunning flower beds that can transform any outdoor space. A flower bed design refers to the careful planning and arrangement of flowers in a specific area of a garden. It's not just about planting flowers randomly, but about creating a visual appeal through the thoughtful combination of colors, heights, textures, and blooming seasons. A well-designed flower bed can be a breathtaking focal point in a garden. Choosing the right location. Selecting the right spot is crucial. Consider the amount of sunlight and shade the area receives, as it will determine the types of flowers that will thrive in your flower bed. Soil preparation. Good soil is the foundation of a healthy flower bed. Ensure your soil is well drained, fertile, and ready for planting. Selecting flowers. Choose flowers based on their color, size, and blooming time. Consider annuals for a year-long color or perennials for long-lasting plants. Think about the visual impact you want to create. Arrangement and spacing. Plan your flower bed layout. Taller plants usually go at the back, while shorter ones come to the front. Proper spacing is important for growth and air circulation. 1. Color coordination. Colors can set the mood of your garden. Use a color wheel to understand complementary and contrasting colors. 2. Balance and harmony. Your flower bed should feel harmonious. Balance can be symmetrical, mirror image, or asymmetrical, balanced through contrast. 3. Focus and simplicity. Sometimes, less is more. A simple design can be powerful. Have a focal point to draw attention. Regular watering. Keep your flower bed hydrated, especially during dry seasons. Weeding. Remove weeds regularly to prevent them from competing with your flowers for nutrients. Mulching. Apply mulch to retain soil moisture, regulate temperature, and reduce weed growth. Pruning. Trim dead or overgrown branches and leaves to encourage healthy growth and flowering. Creating a beautiful flower bed design is an art that combines creativity with knowledge of gardening. Remember, every garden is unique, so feel free to experiment and let your personality shine through your flower bed. We hope this video has inspired you to start your own flower bed project. Happy gardening, and until next time, keep blooming.